What's up you guys, my name is Jesse and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be replacing the front brake pads and rotors on a 2008 Infiniti EX35. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry open the center wheel cover. Loosen the 22mm wheel lug nuts. If you don't have a breaker bar, you can slide the floor jack handle over the ratchet to give you more leverage. Set the emergency brakes. Raise the vehicle up with a floor jack and place a 2x4 on the jack to protect the subframe. Support the vehicle on jack stands. Start the car and turn the wheel to gain better access to the bolts. Remove the 14mm caliper bolts. Remove the caliper and hang it on a bungee cord or zip tie it out of the way. Clean and lubricate the brake caliper. Place an old brake pad inside of the caliper and compress the caliper piston using a pad spreader. Remove two 22mm bracket bolts. Clean the hub with a wire brush and brake cleaner, then apply some anti-seize on the hub. Before installing the new rotors, spray them with brake cleaner. Remove the old brake hardware and clean the surface, then install the new brake caliper hardware. Torque the bracket bolts at 113 foot-pounds. Don't remove the guide pins unless you're installing new ones. They have a rubber sleeve that make it difficult to install back. Torque the brake caliper bolts at 20 foot-pounds. Torque the wheel lug nuts at 80 foot-pounds. Pump the brake pedal a few times before driving. If you guys found this video helpful, hit that like button. Thanks for watching you guys. Late.